Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good, and I also hope that you are enjoying our previous year question series on all chapters in CBSE Class 10 Physics that are being uploaded in our YouTube channel Bhouthics. Today I brought one more question to you that was asked in the previous year board examination. See, consider the following combination of resistors and the combinations having the equivalent resistance 1 ohm is means we have to find the equivalent resistance of this and we have to identify which are having the equivalent resistance as 1 ohm. Okay, so now let us take the question. See, if you take look at this question and options are given as 1 and 4, only 4, 1 and 2 and 1 2 3. Let us find out first which are having the equivalent resistance as 1 ohm first of all. Okay, so now I am going to draw the question here. The question is given as like this. This is 2 ohm and this is also 2 ohm, and again here it is given as 3 resistances. This is 3 ohm, 3 ohm and 3 ohm, and here one more combination is there. This combination has two resistances like this and again connected like this. This is 2 ohm and this is 4 ohm, and this is 3 ohm and this is 3 ohm, and one more combination is there that is given like this. This is 0.5 ohm and this is 0.5 ohm. So to solve this question, you should be knowing one shortcut. What is that shortcut? When 2 or 3 resistances are connected in series, what will be the equivalent resistance? And 2 or 3 resistance are connected in parallel, what will be the equivalent resistance? Especially when equal resistances are connected. So see now, when two resistance, I'll write here. When two resistances are connected in series, let us imagine as R1 and R2, this can be converted into an equivalent resistance, and that equivalent resistance value will be R1 plus R2. Okay, so this one, this is also first circuit, this is also first circuit only. Suppose imagine that two resistances are there like this and like this are connected in parallel. Okay, this is R and this is also R, means two equal resistances are connected in parallel. This whole combination can be converted into a single resistance, and that resistance value will be R by 2. If three resistances are connected, then it will be converted into a single resistance. That resistance value will become R by 3. Okay, so now come to this question. Here 2 ohms, 2 ohms, two equal resistances are connected in parallel. So the equivalent resistance will be R by 2, means 2 divided by 2. It is going to be 1 ohm. And here this equivalent resistance also, three resistances of equal value connected in parallel. Equivalent resistance will be R divided by 3, means 3 divided by 3, it is going to be 1 ohm. Now here if you see, these two are connected in series. When two resistances are connected in series, equivalent resistance becomes R1 plus R2. So 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is going to be 6 ohm, and 3 plus 3 is also going to be 6 ohm. Now if you look at this, what happened here? 6 and 6 are connected in parallel. When two equal resistances connected in parallel, it can be converted into a single resistance, and that resistance will be R by 2, means 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3 ohm. Now when you come to this resistance 0.5, 0.5 connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance for this one, it is going to be, for this one it is going to be a single resistance like this, and it is going to be 0.5 divided by 2. It is going to be 0.25 ohm. So now when we take the question back again, what is the question here? The combinations having equivalent resistance as 1 ohm are given as. See how many combinations have 1 ohm as equivalent resistance. First one has 1 ohm, second one also has 1 ohm, third one has 3 ohm, and fourth one has 0.25 ohm. So first and second has equivalent resistance as 1 ohm. So option is going to be option C. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video very soon.